TikTok is no longer just for entertainment. Right now, it's the most powerful tool when it comes to making money online that we've ever seen. And people just like you are already using it to make thousands of dollars from posting videos on the platform. Just this year alone, I've personally taken home over $100,000 in complete profit in multiple different ways from posting videos to TikTok. And I can almost guarantee that if you watch this entire video and actually implement the things that I'm going to be telling you, you can do the same, if not more, for yourself in 2026. Alright, so we've all seen the people dancing on live streams and making thousands of dollars an hour from getting gifts by basically just making a fool of themselves. But what if I told you there are two specific ways that kids like me have been making money in complete silence without even showing our face? I'm talking about TikTok Shop Affiliate and the Creator Rewards program. TikTok Shop Affiliate is where you're literally making videos about products that brands will send you for free, because brands are always in need and want more content creators. And every time somebody buys the product that you're promoting from your video, you get a commission for it. Like for example, on this page here, it was barely even the afternoon and I was already up around $1,200 in complete commission just from filming and posting videos about products on TikTok. One of my one-on-one students, Brandon here, was even able to leave his job because he was making $3K a week from TikTok Shop alone. And by far my favorite part about this program is that all you're doing is making the videos, and you can seamlessly just add the product link to your video by clicking a few buttons before you post it. And the brands that you're making the content for are the ones who are handling all of the back-end things like shipping, product management, returns, basically all the stuff that beginners trying to make money online don't have the time or the knowledge to deal with. Now, the second way you can make money through TikTok is through the Creator Rewards program. This is simply where you're getting paid for the views that you get, but just recently TikTok has added additional rewards that your videos will get for the quality your videos bring to TikTok's platform. And you get these rewards on top of the rewards you get from your views alone. Now, the average RPM, which is what you're getting paid per 1,000 views that you get on your videos, is usually around $1. So for every 1 million views that you get on a video, you would get paid around $1,000 for it. Although with some of the niches that I've personally used that are inside of my premium group, I've personally ran a few accounts that have gotten over a $2 RPM. So for this video that I posted that only got around 600,000 views, I ended up making around $1,500 from it. And for this video that I posted on that same exact account that only got around 1.3 million views, ended up making me around $2,900. But as you can see with the additional rewards that you get on your videos now, one of my students made 10 times the amount he made from his views on his additional rewards simply because of how educational and value-based his content was. He made $53 from the views that he brought on that video, but he made over $500 just from the additional rewards. And keep in mind, that's from one single day. So the power of these additional rewards going into 2026 is only getting stronger, especially if your content is educational based and brings some sort of value to the viewer. But now in order to actually get accepted into these programs, because obviously TikTok doesn't just allow anybody in these programs to actually start making money, you need to first show TikTok that you're qualified enough to make good content. So for TikTok Shop, you need 5,000 followers, and for the Creator Rewards program, you need 10,000 followers to get accepted. You also need 100,000 views in the last 30 days, but once you're at that 10,000 follower mark, it's pretty inevitable that you'll have the 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Most gurus will tell you to buy an account that already has the 5,000 or the 10,000 followers, but trying to get traction on an account that was grown in a completely different niche in a completely different part of the world years ago is only going to set you up for failure. So my students and I have perfected the exact formula when it comes to growing accounts organically insanely fast to get to those follower marks, because once you understand how to go viral once, it's insanely easy to replicate it over again and again, because it's simply just a few metrics that you need to hit on your videos. You need to have a good watch time, you need to have a good retention, and you need to have good engagement, which means if you have a good hook along with entertaining value that keeps your viewers engaged, it'll be very easy for you to consistently hit the metrics needed in order to get your video to go viral. As you can see here, recently one of my one-on-one students, Preston here, is at 2 million views for the week on one of his new accounts, along with another one of my students, Major, is getting 5.7 million views on one video alone. Another account that Preston just started growing at 900,000 views for the week. My guy Dev here getting 1 million views on this video that he posted. Another one of my one-on-one students, Roberto, getting 2 million views on this video. But yeah, you guys get the point. And I have tons of videos on this YouTube channel going over specific niches that you guys could personally use to start growing an account to get monetized tomorrow. And I have a ton of editing tutorials on this channel as well, going over how you guys can make these videos yourself. And I consistently keep you guys updated with more and more every single week, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. But before you start growing your page, you need to understand this. You need to warm your account up for at least 48 hours before posting your first video. All I mean by warming up your account is just simply doom scroll on the page how you would on your personal account, like the videos you're interested in, comment on the videos that you feel like you need to comment something on, and just follow the accounts that you actually enjoy watching. Just do this for at least 15 to 20 minutes per day for the first 48 hours before actually posting your first video. The reason you need to make sure you do this when opening a brand new account is simply because TikTok does not want bots on their platform, and all bots are basically brand new accounts that immediately join TikTok and start posting random videos. So if you make your new account and you try uploading videos right away, your account's going to be flagged inside a TikTok system, therefore you're not going to get any views. videos. Now, once you grow your account to 5,000 followers, and let's say you join TikTok Shop Affiliate, you're going to gain immediate access to an entire product marketplace of products across various niches. From there, you can just pick the products that you want to promote, add them to your showcase, and start creating content around them. And like I mentioned earlier, most brands will even provide you with a free or discounted samples of their products, so you can start creating videos without actually needing to invest any type of money up front. What's even better is as you start building a track record of successful promotions, your ability to start negotiating higher commission rates and even getting retainers is so much higher. Retainer deals is where brands will say, hey, we'll pay you X amount of money to guarantee that you post X amount of videos this month. You see, as you start making good content for these brands and build a relationship with them, a lot of the times they will offer you a retainer deal. For example, one of the retainer deals that I've had recently was with a supplement company, and they were paying me $2,000 a month to make sure I posted 30 videos guaranteed that month. It didn't matter how those videos performed. As long as I posted 30 videos that month promoting the product, I was getting paid $2,000 that month, and that's on top of the commissions that I earned from those videos as well. That means more money for the same amount of effort, so you can truly scale your earnings. Now, the reason there's going to be so much more potential to make so much more money in 2026 on TikTok is simply because TikTok is competing with Amazon. Literally every other scroll on TikTok is a TikTok shop video selling you a product, and one single viral video has the potential to drive not only thousands but even millions of eyeballs on one specific product. And unlike traditional e-commerce, you don't need a crazy ad budget to actually get these views. TikTok Shop has made it so easy to impulse buy for viewers nowadays with features like Apple Pay and Google Play integration. That means viewers can complete the checkout process within seconds of seeing the product, which ultimately reduces cart abandonment and increases your sales simply because of the faster and simpler checkout process. For example, from this TikTok Shop video that I posted, it only got around 500,000 views, but it ended up making me around $1,700 in complete commission simply because of how well the views converted to sales. But if you're ready to take your journey to the next level and you want personalized one-on-one guidance working directly with me, that way you can start to make money online no matter your experience level, just like how thousands of my other students have, then go ahead and click the first link in the description to apply to work one-on-one directly with me. And if you guys had any questions for me, make sure you join the free Discord down below in the description as well. I'm always responding to members and answering questions and just helping you guys out and giving daily sauce in there. In there, I also provide a completely free course going over the basics of how to get started yourself with this business model. But the biggest takeaway I want you to walk away with before you click off of this video is that nothing moves you forward faster than action does. I'm just going to leave it at that. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.